Next, we're going to create two customizations, the candles customization and the write something on the cake customization here. To do that, we're going to create customization types. Now, the idea here is to be able to reuse these across products, possibly. All right, so the first customization type is going to be candles. What did I write there? Let's just see it. Candles. I'm going to leave the description blank. You can play with that to see how it looks on the display if you want to add some more information. All right, so calculator. This is one of the cool parts of this extension, in my opinion. I provided three calculators, and you can always write your own. So amount times a constant calculator we're going to use for the candles. The amount would be the number of candles, and the constant will specify on price per candle. So you can see this being reused many times. And I'm going to pull up the calculator code too, so you can see what's going on here. All right, you see I have some preferences in here. You can specify a min and max. Currently, I don't think those are being enforced. That's a to-do on my part. So the only interesting piece of this calculator is this required fields. You see I have an amount is a decimal. So if I create this, you're going to see we have a list of options down here that are required for this customization type. And you see it's called amount, and that was driven by this right here. So the idea here is when you create a customization type, you want to force the admin user to specify one of the options for the customization type. And the reason for this will become more clear when we hit some of the when we use a different kind of calculator. So we're going to leave this as is. Is it required? No, it is not a required. Or is it required? Let's see. Yes, if you're going to have this customization type, that option is required. Oop, and I forgot the multiplier here. All right, in the calculator, the multiplier is going to basically be the price per candle. So let's say it's going to be 15 cents per candle. All right, and since I'm here, I'm going to add the other customization type as well, the engraving, or the what do you want to write on the cake. And for this, we're going to use an engraving calculator. And that uses a different calculator. Okay, price per letter. Now, I can't remember why I have... This is awfully similar to the amount times a constant calculator. Oh, I think the only reason here is... Yeah. Is that we're dealing with a string instead. Okay. So there's a 20 cent price per letter that I have to draw on icing. So down here, I'm going to say This is called your message. All right. Now for this cake example, these customization types didn't really get exercised too much because we've only got one customization option per customization type. In some of the other screencasts, you'll see a better example of multiple customization options down here. So I'm going to go back to the products page, and for my cake, I'm going to, let's make sure this guy shows up in our product list, because I think it already does. All right, and okay, so customization types. We're on the cake product. We're going to select customization types to use with this product. So here you see both of them that we created already. All right, now let's go look at the store. All right. Okay, so you see, if you remember what we entered in our customization options, that drives the display here. So here, when you change the price of something, you'll notice that nothing happened up here. That's because there is a Spree config option that I created. It's in the README here somewhere. Let's see if I can find it. Okay, it's this guy right here, Spree config, use Ajax pricing updates. All right. I'm going to set that and come back to the video.